mind. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines.
Akanksha is at it again. Akanksha is going for a bushwalk and Akanksha is very, very happy.
So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world.
So we are in Lane Cove National Park today, and we paid $8 park entry fees for one car, and we found a map which doesn't help to understand where to go and where you are.
To them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late.
Lane Cove National Park is like just 15-20 minutes from my house, and guess what? I never stepped foot in this place before today, and I am really ashamed of myself that I did not. This looks like a great park. I've always seen it from the outside, but today I'm inside. I'm doing the Riverside trek, which is like 10 kilometers return. So let's see how this goes. I'm impressed by the start. I was not hoping that it will be so rugged, but yep, let's see how it goes. Beautiful day today. It's 27 degrees and it's hot, but always a good day to take a walk in any national park because there are so many trees. So we thought we'll use it well, and here we are in Lane Cove National Park. And this trail is actually, I don't think a lot of people do it because I saw a lot of cars outside. I mean, the car park was full, but on this trail, I saw one group exiting and just another group just crossed by us. So that's it. Seems like a nice, quiet place to be if you want to be just by yourself. So I was confused at first, but you see this little staircase on this road with a bridge. Another marker, there's like a little signboard over there that says Potter's Creek Bridge. So this little staircase also connects to the same walk, the Riverside walk. We entered from the start where there's like a signpost, and we got out from here and we're heading ahead. But if you want, you can start from here and go the other way. It's pretty cool. And this is the other side of the walk. So we were on one side of the river and now we are going to the other side. Looks cool. There are a lot of lizards and iguanas and like lizard family stuff in here. So if you're scared, just be careful because there are a lot of them.
Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 You as you sleep, you don't know I'm looking. With you everything's
I love these little stream crossings. Back on track.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
this side of the trail is definitely the better one. If I want to give you a recommendation from the bridge, take the trail on your right. If you're facing both the trails, take the one on your right. It takes you to this side of the river and so much better, so much nicer.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So I think we're gonna turn back from this number 19 halfway point because our car is on the other side and we are on the different side of the river. We did 3.52 kilometers and we're gonna go back doing the same. But if you want it, the whole trail goes straight ahead and there are like multiple entries. We didn't know. We drove our car all the way here and then drove back to the starting point, but this can be your starting point as well. There are a lot of parking spaces here and there's a little really nice camping and picnic spot. So pretty good spot to start from if you don't want to start from the other side.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it.
We reached our car. So we walked for 1 hour 35 minutes for 5.7 kilometers and I will update you the steps. But pretty happy with this. It was a while since I did this and I feel so lively now.
Light got stuck out in the rain.